was in college because I'm a very simple person. But my parents or my known parents had faith on me that I would be a better person. Uh, then yeah, I finished college, went to UAE or had work. Then 2008, both of us was in Abu Dhabi. We got married at 2010, and like I mentioned, we joined Couples for Christ in 2013. 3 years we had been married, but unfortunately, I'm somewhat losing hope at that time that we're already 3 years and we still don't have children. Uh, then I said to myself, because I am a very simple person, probably that's why the Lord hasn't given or blessed us with a child. But what can I say? We joined the CFC because I have a motive that if I would be closer to God, the Lord might bless us with a child. It's been almost 15 years now. We still don't have a children. But did I turn against God? No, we're still here in CFC. Therefore, I can say this: the Lord is still blessing us. We have kids among you guys, among our brothers and sisters. We have godchildren. In Filipino, we have inaanak. No? That's how blessed we are. Even though we don't have children, we have children amongst you. We have children with our family, and I love how the CFC give us hope that even though we don't have children, it is the Lord who's giving us a way of life, how to be a better person, even though without that blessing. One thing. The thought that has given to you using having the hub, it is one of those things that has given us hope in terms of our daily struggles in life, and having the Lord as a center of our life. Prayer, the sacraments, the fellowship of bringing brothers and sisters, and witnessing how the Lord works on us. Back in Abu Dhabi, one of the struggles we had, or I have, was my salary there is delayed. 3 months delayed, and the worst thing was the 6 months delayed. Therefore, it's hard to live without salary at the time. Good thing we have brothers and sisters that's encouraging us that do not lose hope. We overcome all those challenges, especially the financial. No? Even her, it is only her who is having the salary at the time from us a monthly basis. And one day, then when we moved here in Canada, there's still another challenge. What would be the work that I would have? It's hard to find work. Good thing we're already in the Couples for Christ, and our fellow, when we arrive here, we seek right away how to meet with Couples for Christ, because we know in Couples for Christ there would be fellow brothers and sisters who would help us how to find work, how to find community, so that the burden of the problems would be lighter. And truthful, some of them had helped us, and I find the work at the time after 2 months. Then, lo and behold, later on, I got the job that I want. Same thing with her. Having the Lord as the center of your family helps you in your daily life to lighten the burdens, your problems, no? To be a better person, and having the Couples for Christ with the household and the topics that are being discussed in the household, the sharings that we have there, it made us a better person. There are topics there that you would have for you to be a better parent, a better husband, a better wife, to each other. And exercising the five spokes that has been told earlier: prayer, sacrament, fellowship, witnessing, and the word, and helps you always in your daily life. Right now, it's very timely that this CNP session has been done this week, because one of the things that was given there was the sacrament of reconciliation. This is the Holy Week. We need to do the sacrament of reconciliation in order for us to refresh our soul and to be more closer to God. And let us try our best to do the sacrament of reconciliation, right? I'm still a sinner, and by being here, doing the work and being closer to God, I'm serving. It was last 2 years ago when we started to put extra effort by serving the church. It is somewhat like 3 years right now that we're serving here in St. Anne's. We are ushers. She's mostly the reader. And it was fully a blessing when it was my first time leading in the front, reading the Passion of Christ. I'm not that person who always lead the sacrament. I read the sacrament every day, but only small passages to encourage myself, or to have an encouragement and to overcome the daily struggles, especially when I'm having a stress in the office. That's when I put out my cell phone, read a motivational passages. No, but when I did the Passion of Christ earlier in the 4 p.m. Mass, without the mic, having this voice, loud voice, it was fulfilling. It's a different experience. You're the one trying to read what is in there, rather than you listening at the front. Because when listening, you forget it. But it was eyewitnessing. It's very fulfilling that how the Lord suffered for us and giving us a blessing. And I might share too much. Therefore, right now I want to end my share by this last message. I thank everyone here in the community, all of the people here who have been a blessing to us, our household. We've been too many households since we joined. We transferred from West 3 to West 2 to West 1, different household, and every one of their sharings that we've been to has been a blessing to us, to be a better person, to be a better friend. And thank you for that. And my wife will continue her sharing.
Hello, good evening, brothers and sisters. Not sure what will I share. I think I can only share that in CFC, we really grow in service to the Lord, especially in the church. It's our first time today, earlier, that we read that Passion of Christ. It's been like, as my husband said, it's been like almost 3 years now, I guess, that we are serving here, and we are happy. We are also happy with our brothers and sisters that we've been in our household because our family grow because we meet different people. So for us, because we don't have kids, so having a different household is also having more family or extended family. That's why every time that like our household member, when we are still a household leader, every time they step up, we always told them that it is better for you because you will have more family. And changes is all, some people, they look changes as hard. But I always told them that changing your household members in your household is better for you because you will grow. You will grow in faith because you will hear a different kind of lesson, life lessons, and all experience. So for those people or for those CFC members who is experiencing sadness if they change their household, don't be sad because think of it as you will have additional family in your life and additional knowledge also.
And for those new
And for those,
new couples that
yeah.
would be joining the community, Brother John, Brother Arthur, Sis Laura, I applaud you for stepping up to put a new life by joining here in the community, no? Because it is a step for you. The Lord had touched you because He knows that you're already good and you want to be better in life. Handling your family and handling your life as a couple. No? For that,
We can be
may God be praised.